MyTech StudLok SL125 and SL170. Note, both products are codemark compliant. MyTech StudLoks have been designed to provide a fast and easy way to connect wall plates to studs. StudLoks come in two sizes to accommodate single or double wall plates, 125mm and 170mm. Screw length and product ID are stamped into the coloured head for easy inspection. Both heads suit a standard 5mm hex drive bit. To fix the SL125, align the wall plate evenly over the stud and secure with two standard framing nails. Then drive the StudLok SL125 through the wall plate and into the centre of the stud. Fixing is complete when the head sits flush with the timber surface. The SL170 delivers higher performance in thicker wall plate applications and double wall plate scenarios. To fix, simply repeat the SL125 fixing method, ensuring the SL170 is driven through the centre of both wall plates and the stud. MyTech also provides all-weather StudLok labels for both SL125 and SL170 screws. They ensure quick and easy identification and certification for correct fixing. Centre the SL125 or SL170 StudLok tag on the stud using the sighting hole provided as a guide. Ensure the tag sits out beyond the edge of the stud, as following sight work might hamper visibility if obscured. For more detailed installation instructions, including load data, please refer to the StudLok datasheet or get the EasyCat app. Remember, always specify and use MyTech engineered building products.